Halloween is coming. Let's see how to smock decorative patterns of Halloween cake and pumpkin. Use double thread to stitch early and accurately. Focus on each stitch by stitch. Use a needle through pleats and pull thread straight. Pay attention to embroidering in detail exactly. Make each stitch meticulously and carefully. Make neat and nice details. It takes 4-5 hours to finish this craft piece. It is applicable to make decorative patterns to smocked clothing for kids. Order wholesale price range 10-15 min, order 20 PCS to 00 PCS.